Hi, I'm Sean Eubanks, Vice President of STRAINWISE Consulting and host of BluntBusinessRadio.com. This week's webinar is titled, You've Won Your Cannabis License, Now What? We're going to be talking about assembling your team, raising additional capital, as well as design and build out your facilities and the cost of construction for that. In addition to those things, we're going to be talking about building your own brand, as well as how to lead the industry in compliance. And on BluntBusinessRadio.com, join me as I interview CEO Michael Bologna of Dipstick Vapes. The company's been featured on Maxim, as well as Forbes, and is backed by the ArcView Group. Michael has designed a revolutionary concentrate vaporizer that has all kinds of features not yet seen on the market. You can download episodes of this on BluntBusinessRadio.com, as well as iTunes, Stitcher, and now on iHeartRadio. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you later on this week.